Welcome back guys, my name is Amir and in this episode I want to show you how to use typewriter for left to right or right to left for some language like Arabic, Persian for more than 2 lines. Let's do this. Uh, Here from Effect tab guys, search typewriter and add it to your text. For left to right it's easy and you can press U and change keyframe for speed you want. Uh, for right to left there is a problem. For one line you can use it and change pen selector, it's easy, but for more than one line, 2 line, 3 line, it's I have a simple trick for that. I want to show what's happened if you use N selector for more than 2 lines, guys. Okay guys, delete animator and follow my trick. For second line guys, delete all other lines and just keep the second line. Okay, nice. Now add typewriter and follow my setting. Okay guys, here copy animator and paste to next text. Good job guys, nice, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, do subscribe for more.